Hello, in this video we're gonna check the size of Sony Xperia 10.4 and compare it to my hands. So right here I have a coin just to help you see the size of my hands. Now let me show you this phone from all angles. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.